Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do the poem From Homecoming by R. Parthasarathi. Parthasarathi was born at Tirupatturai near Tiruchi, that is Tiruchirappalli, in 1954. He was educated at Don Bosco High School and Siddharth College, Bombay, now Mumbai, and Leeds University. At Leeds University, he was a British Council scholar in 1963 to 64. He was a lecturer in English literature in Bombay for a decade. In 1971, he joined Oxford University Press as a regional editor in Madras, now Chennai. Then he shifted to Delhi in 1978. Before starting the poem, let me give you a brief introduction to the poem. In this poem, From Coming, Parthasarathi talks about a man who is incapable of writing a single line of poetry. He failed miserably as a creative writer but became a teacher critic. He got married and hence had to earn money in order to support himself and his family. He went to the wrong gods. He had not studied the Greek poets who would have taught him the futility of marriage and would have elevated his thoughts. Then he became a teacher and failed as a critic. This teacher critic writes reviews of the poems of other poets. He is invited to attend conferences and he attends them. He has no talent. He earned a lot of money specifically by cunning or dishonest means. He writes criticism in large measure of literature of secondary kind of material. Parthasarathi abuses him by calling him the son of a bitch. Again, Parthasarathi sarcastically calls him His Eminence and wonders whether he would have been where he would have been without the poets of the classical and modern world. Let me read the poem for you before explaining it. I see him now sitting at his desk. The door is open. It is evening. On the lawns, the children play. He went for the wrong gods from the start, and marriage made it worse. He hadn't read his Greek poets well. Better to bury a woman than marry her. Now he teaches. Reviews verse written by others. Is invited to conferences and attends them. How long it had taken him to learn he had no talent at all, although words came easy. One can be articulate about nothing, or was it simply his gods had left him? Peddling his bicycle glasses, he asks what it is like to be a poet. I say to myself, the son of a bitch, fattens himself on the flesh of dead poets, lines his pockets with their blood. From his fingertips ooze ink and paper as he squats on the dung heap of old texts and obscure commentaries. His eyes peel off. Where would his eminence be but for the poets who splashed about in the Hellespont or burned in the Java Sea? Let me give you the meaning of the difficult words before explaining the poem. The flesh of the dead poems means the work of the poets of the past. The dung heap of old texts means a derogatory reference to the secondary material on literature. The poets who splashed about in the Hellespont or burned in the Java Sea is the reference to the poets of the classical and the modern world, reference to the Greek mythology. And articulate means a person who is able to express his feelings by using apt words. In this poem, Parthasarathi opens the poem abruptly. In the evening time, when the children are playing in the lawns, the teacher critic is sitting at his desk. The door is open. This fellow worshipped wrong gods from the beginning, and marriage made his position even worse. He had not studied the Greek poets well, whose message was better to bury a woman than marry her. This teacher critic took up a teaching job to support himself and his family. He wrote reviews of the poems composed by other poets. He is invited to conferences and he attends them. He expresses his ideas easily, although he had no talent. He could express his ideas about nothing, or his gods had left him, meaning to say his inspiration had gone away. It means he was not inspired by his gods, that is, whatever he wrote or expressed was not inspired by higher gods. The teacher critic is incapable of writing a single line of the poem. As I told you, he only reviews the poems written by other poets, and he attends conferences though he has no talent. Parthasarathi uses words of abuse, son of a bitch, for him because he makes a lot of money by criticizing the works of poets of the past. He makes a lot of money especially by cunning or dishonest means with the blood of the dead poets, where it's referred to the poets who splashed about in the Hellespont or burned in the Java Sea. The reference is to the poets of the classical and the modern world. And such a teacher critic writes criticism in large measure and bases his criticism on the secondary kind of, inferior kind of material on literature and less known commentaries. He is very observant and very ever watchful. Parthasarathi sarcastically calls him His Eminence and wonders where he would be without the poets of the classical and modern world whom he criticizes and attends conferences upon and writes papers and earns money. He supports himself by writing criticism on the poetry of classical and modern poets. Parthasarathi says that the teacher critic lines his pocket, earns money through the poetic works of the eminent poets of the past. And this is the theme of the poem. I hope you would have understood. A poet, a person who aspires to be a poet, but due to the lack of talent, he just turns out to be a critic and he is dissatisfied with his life. Thank you.